In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix continuous loading error or can't load error on Google Docs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if your app is continuously loading like this and you can't see documents or even save them, then most likely you want to troubleshoot your app. In the first incident, you want to check and ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection for this to work. However, if you have stable internet connection but you are using a VPN, you might want to turn it off, as this might be the major reason you are experiencing this. However, if that does not work, then you want to troubleshoot your Google Docs app. To do that, go to your phone and look for settings option, and then under settings, just scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Docs and tap on it. And here you want to go to force stop, okay, then clear data and clear cache, and finally okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and if you go to Google Docs, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still have the continuous loading problem, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your Google Docs app and check if you have any update your app to the latest version. At this point, now everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if the continuous loading problem still continues, then most likely Google Docs might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes. When you come back, now everything should be running without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.